First of all, I think grief as a set of emotions is largely under discussed and and misunderstood collectively in terms of what it is and how it can look. I'm a big fan of the work of Elizabeth Kubler-Ross, the Swiss psychiatrist who really pioneered a lot of work on death and dying, and she's responsible for really the five stages of grief. She's responsible for that thought leadership in the field: anger, bargaining, depression, denial, acceptance, right? Which we all know. But one of the things I really appreciate about what she said in a later book of hers, later in her career, is those were never meant to be linear. It wasn't a set of boxes to check off. But once you're done with it, you're done. The misunderstood piece about grief for me, there's two things. One, it can apply to, of course, concrete, tangible losses, the death of people we love, pets, things like that. But it also applies to intangible losses, a childhood we never received, a path we did not take, a postpartum experience we will never have, right? Intangible losses. So that's the first piece I like to say about grief. It applies to both tangible and intangible losses. And the second piece is what Dr. Kubler-Ross said. It's not like we move through this and we're done. We come back to grief again and again and again for as long as it takes, even when it surprises us that it's back up again, especially for those intangible losses.
Work.
Ultimately, what we have to encounter at some point is the limitations of what we received or didn't receive. And when we do that, it is, yeah,
Yeah. Woo, that word just hit me.
yeah,
Yeah. The limitations of what we didn't receive.
and that exactly what you're doing, allowing your feelings to show up, putting your hand on your chest, being okay with it. That is what we need to do. That is supporting ourselves through the grief, not denying or suppressing that feeling, that thought, but feeling that surge that comes up in us. And if you want to feel it even more, one of the tools I like in my clinical work is to put a hand on the chest, to just be there. Yeah, my